Bismillah walhamdulillah wa salatu wassalam ala rasulillah. The Prophet ﷺ tells us, إِنَّمَا الْأَعْمَالُ بِخَوَاتِيمِهَا, that actions are judged by their conclusions. There's a number of ways that we can appreciate this hadith. One of them is that a person can put on a show for so long, but eventually you find that the truth comes out. And so therefore, if you want to ensure that what you're doing is sincere, you want to start with the sincere intention, you want to work hard and see it through to the end, and you want to make sure that when you're finishing strong. You're double checking, triple checking to make sure that at no point is there any sense of showing off, that you're doing it only and solely for the sake of Allah, and that you do it with a sense of pride and izzah. Secondly, this hadith is a reminder that if you spent this month of Ramadan and you felt that you didn't do your best, maybe it was a bit spotty, maybe you didn't push yourself as hard as you could have, guess what? You still have a chance. Why? Because actions are judged by their conclusions. In other words, you still have these last 10 nights to truly hustle, to truly make this something special. You feel like maybe there are doubters out there. Maybe there are people who look down on you and think the worst of you. And who knows, let's forget about the haters. Maybe you sometimes even doubt yourself. And if that is the case, then why not surprise yourself? Why not go above and beyond? Why not spend these last 10 nights really exerting every effort? Maybe staying in i'tikaf, maybe trying to read as much Quran as possible, maybe ensuring that you stay as long as you can in Taraweeh, and then even after that you make extra dua. Why not really push yourself? Why not give in charity more than you expected? Maybe it's the case that the first 20 days of Ramadan were just okay, but now you really want to exceed all expectations and really prove to your Lord that you are the most sincere and that this is the year you want to change. This is the year that you want to be closest to Allah. I think we all know that no matter how hard we push ourselves, even if you're hungry during the fasting, even if you're very thirsty, you're still pretty confident that there's going to be food and drink at the end of the day. SubhanAllah, I think it's imperative to remember that there are brothers and sisters around the world, specifically in Gaza, who are being tested with hardship that we don't fully comprehend. Hardship like that which Allah Ta'ala tells us in the Quran,
وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ الَّذِينَ إِذَا أَصَابَتْهُم مُّصِيبَةٌ قَالُوا إِنَّا لِلَّهِ وَإِنَّا إِلَيْهِ راجعون.
And so why not push yourself? Why not exert yourself? Why not make this the best Ramadan ever and say to yourself, you know what? I have no excuse. There's no reason for me to hold back and take it easy on myself because I already have it easy. Why should I be so concerned with comfort when there are those who are still fasting this month and still worshiping their Lord and are still grateful for whatever they have? And meanwhile, they're in the midst of a genocide. And meanwhile, they are being oppressed worse than we've ever seen in modern history. So may Allah Ta'ala bless us this month so that we can worship Him and push ourselves and exert ourselves so that our conclusion is better than this entire month. May Allah Ta'ala help us and bless us so that these last 10 nights are the most special nights, that we worship Him in the best way and that we exert ourselves and that we push ourselves and that we rise to new spiritual heights. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.